Welcome to VI Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hi guys, welcome to VI Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul. Guys, in MS Excel, when we write date or when we write currency, we use INR. The word INR will also be copied when you copy the data from any Excel. But what if I want to add the rupee sign? In the date format, we always have seen that the date format is MMDDYYYY. For example, today's date is 25th June 2025, so it will show like 6/25/2025. But in India, we use DDMMYYYY format, which is 26/06/2025. How you can change this? Today, in this video, we will be discussing how you can change the date and time format from your system settings, and it will be for universal to everywhere. If you want to do it for specifically Excel, just let me know into the comment section so that I can make another video on that. So guys, let me open a notepad first.
Start notepad, untitled.
And now here,
select
I am just taking the date and time. And see,
12/51/23/066/200/2123/06/2025 and 12/51/50/23/06/2025 blank.
So 23/06/2025. When I am recording this video, today is 23rd June. As I have given the example, like 25th June, how we write. But here you can see that this is Indian format. Now how you can change this format? Let's see. Before starting the video guys, if you are interested to learn computer from basic to advanced such as MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Internet, Gmail, AirTools, ChatGPT, Google Drive, Google Docs, Google Sheets, you can join our exclusive basic to advanced computer course, which is Computer Literacy Expert. And the best part is you can join us as a one-on-one session and you will be our most priority. So don't forget to visit our website from the about page of the channel for more details. So guys, now you need to go to the search bar,
start window,
and type region, REGION.
No more text after a block of untype. Search Reaper, X6 registry, region, control
Enter.
panel, region dialog, formats property.
So it will open the region, and from this combo box,
format, combo box English, India, focus.
you need to choose English India. Remember, by default, English US is chosen. Press tab,
language preferences link,
tab,
date and time formats grouping, short date, combo box DD/MM/I collapsed alt plus
by
S.
default this is selected, so you can just choose. If it is not selected properly, you can change it. So see, I'm just pressing tab and
long
click
short
on
time, long time, first day of additional settings,
additional settings.
Customize format dialog, numbers property page, decimal symbol, combo box collapsed, edit alt plus D selected dot.
So here you can choose some things like decimal symbol, dot, it is by default
No of
selected.
digits after decimal, combo box 2 collapsed
This
alt
will
plus N.
tells that how many digits you want after the dot sign or period sign.
Digit grouping symbol, combo box collapsed, edit alt plus I selected.
Okay.
Comma, and blank, comma, digit grouping symbol.
Digit grouping symbol, comma, which is 1000 separated, you can also
Digit
say.
grouping, combo box 12, 34, negative sign symbol,
Negative
combo
sign
box,
symbol,
negative number 4,
negative
display leading zeros, combo list separator.
Okay, but this is not our work. What is our work? Just press tab until you reach to the multi-tab dialog box.
Measure standard use native did reset OK but hands tab control numbers tab selected.
Numbers tab is selected. Just press right arrow to move to the next tab.
Currency tab selected.
Currency tab. So under currency tab, you will find
Currency property page. Currency symbol. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus C selected rupee.
By default, INR is written there. So if you wish, you can change it to rupee sign.
Positive currency format.
Positive
Combo
currency
negative
format,
currency
negative
decimal
currency format.
symbol.
You can
Combo
choose the same
mode of
as per
digit
your
digit
needs.
group digits. OK. Cancel tab control.
Now next is
time tab selected.
time tab. If you need, you can change the time format from here. See what's there.
Time property page. Time formats grouping. Short time. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus S selected HH:MM.
Okay. HHMM, it's selected.
Long time. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus L selected HH:MM:SS.
Okay. HHMMSS. Short time means whatever time we can see by pressing insert F12. Long time means the time you have already seen in the notepad, which includes the seconds also.
Symbol. Combo box collapsed. Edit Alt plus M selected M.
AMPM symbol, how AMPM will appear.
M. unselect. Lang.
If you want A space M or A dot M, you can do that also.
PM symbol. Combo
PM
reset
symbol.
button Alt plus R. OK. Hands tab control. Time tab selected.
Next tab is date tab.
Date tab selected.
Press tab.
Date property page. Date formats grouping. Short date. Combo
Short date.
box collapsed. Edit Alt plus S selected DD/MM/I.
Okay.
Long date. Combo box
Long date.
collapsed. Edit Alt plus L selected DDMMMMI.
Now here what you can see is
D space calendar grouping and edit selected 2100. First day of week. Combo box
First day
Sunday
of week.
reset button Alt plus OK. And edit date formats grouping. Long date. Combo short
so
date. Long
from
date.
this date format you can choose the
Alpha reset
date
OK.
format.
Cancel button.
Then
Tab
click on
cancel tab. Cancel OK. Region
but-
dialog.
and again click on
Oh,
OK
cancel
button.
OK untitled.
Now in this way you can set the date and time format. Now let me open one
Start
Excel file.
Excel home grouping. Sheet 1 table 1.
And here I just paste the date and time, date. Okay guys, what is the shortcut to paste the date? Does anyone know? Let me know into the comment section.
Edit 23 sheet 23/06/2025/1.
Okay, so this way you can easily write the date in Indian format.
Save choose a more out save
Close
button
this.
don't save micro cancel no remove.
So this is the way you can change the date and time format according to your region, especially in India. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you find this content useful, like the video and share the video with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe to VI Tech Academy for more useful tips and tricks like this. If you wish, you can help us by joining our channel or send us thanks, or you can also find the details for making a donation which helps us to serve you better. Thank you so much guys for watching the video. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.